how to prove this, that sin square x plus cos square x equals 1. I know you are familiar with this identity. Now let me show you how to prove it. So you consider your unit circle. A unit circle is the circle that has a radius of 1. That means, look at the quadrant here, look at the quadrant. So divide it into 4. So this is the circle, this is the radius 1. And consider this space. Of course, these are giving us a right angle triangle, which the angle here is theta. This one is called the opposite, OPP, and this one is the adjacent, and this one is the hypotenuse, and here is 1. To show that sin square this is this, you consider this thing here SOHCAHTOA. Sine equals to opposite over hypotenuse, cos theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tan equals to opposite over adjacent. But today we are dealing with only cos and sine. So let us do it now. For this triangle here, sine theta, that's theta, is equals to opposite. What's the opposite here? OPP over hypotenuse, which is 1. And therefore, our sine here is the opposite. Similarly, cos theta, that is CA, adjacent over hypotenuse, which is 1, and everything is equals to adjacent. So our cos here is adjacent. Okay, but remember, your particular theorem, they said that the angle here is the sum of the square of angle here is equal to the sum of the square here and here. And what is the hypotenuse here is 1. So you see that is 1 squared equals to opposite. What's the opposite here? Opposite here is sine. So it is sine squared theta plus adjacent is cos square theta. Therefore, you can exchange so that just this one this side. Therefore, sine square theta plus cos square theta equals to 1. QED. QED is written when you prove a theorem. It means quod erat demonstandum, which literally means proved or how to demonstrate it.